Hi everyone, I wanted to make a quick video to show you what's next on the Everfi website. Really, I have this is a fake student that I made that I created a username for just so I can show you what this looks like from your end. The idea is that you log in with the same username and password. Once you log in, you're going to see a couple of options. What you had been working on is called Ignition New. The next step of this and the next step of our e-learning is ASME Inspire. I'm sorry, ASME Endeavor. This is the next module. It's about STEM careers. This is a 6th grade class that I'm logged into right now. I set my fake account to 6th grader, so this one's going to say 6th grade. The 7th grade is going to say 7th grade. But I want you to pay attention, whoa, it keeps going away, to the hours. An hour and a half to 2 hours. So this should be a 1 to 2 week activity. So you should be able to complete this by spending no more than an hour in the next week and a half or 2 weeks working through this assignment. Again, if you have questions, the best way to reach me is either through the Zoom chat or through the email system. Hope everybody is doing well. Have a great day.